The 2015 car compared to the 2014 car is, we call it the evolution, because we kept the same, let's say, basic concept of the engine and the powertrain and the hybrid system. Alex Hitzing and his technical guys, they touched really every part, every area of the car.
That's basically what we have done with the 15 car. We analyzed the 14 car well and changed quite a lot in terms of structure, so monocoque, gear structure, suspension, this is all completely new.
Well, it's had pretty much a heavy massage in all areas compared to the 14 car, as you'd expect. Obviously the aerodynamics, bit of love there. Obviously find some weight in the car. You know, we want to get more power out of all the systems, both on the combustion side and also on the electric side. Just try to find every component that's possible to generate more performance.
The target is clearly to have the optimum car available for each individual track. Last year we didn't manage to put a high downforce package on track before Le Mans, because we just had to focus in our first year on Le Mans as a highlight, and then we brought the high downforce package afterwards.
On the setup side, it's quite easy to make changes individual to tracks, and with setup I mean not only suspension setup, but I mean hybrid strategies, four-wheel drive strategies, traction control. We have now so many tools in adjusting the handling, the traction of the car. It's quite amazing.
The engineers all the way through to board level, we want to have some very good results this year, no question about it. So the second year will be absolutely pivotal for us to get some very, very, very big victories under our belt.